wat doen 'n blazer. Kyk wat doen 'n blazer. Kyk wat doen 'n blazer. Met 'n lekker takkie, kyk wat doen 'n blazer. Praat gou vir ons die rondte. Hy steek alles weg. Dames en here, ladies and gentlemen. Welkom by vanaand se onderhoude op die rooi tapijt. Ek is Jimmy Fallon en die is my mede-aanbieder Ellen DeGeneres.
En welkom by vanaand se episode van What Do You Mean? Dis vir ons net so groot verrassing oor wie vanaand hulle presence met ons gaan deel.
It looks like we have our first celebs.
It's Cynthia Erivo
And Ariana Grande. Ariana, how do you do it?
Wow, I'm just nothing. We're gonna help you learn. I'll teach you the proper way. When you talk to boy, the ways to boy.
Do you two ever let go of one another?
What do you mean?
Not now, helicopter, not now. Shoo.
Adam Sandler, what are you doing here?
Waiting for them to play Gangnam Style. I've been practicing all week.
Gangnam Style.
So, why are you here?
Charlize. How are you doing your time in the United States of America?
It's like so much better than Benoni.
How is it in South Africa right now?
South Africa is like very bad. There's only like 44 Afrikaners. And they ride lions to school like under a tree. By a donkey. My hands are waiting.
It's okay with you.
Your mom is from the audience tonight.
Your mama's the best smells like powder. She bears things like this. Terry, what's your favorite song? Well, if it isn't my man Justin and Haley. Justin, what are you doing here?
Isn't talking to you there, setting our business.
I just don't want to say that you're sorry for now, girl. I just want to say for me sorry.
down with the president of Disney Channel and I said, I want to make history. And this is what this is.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was our segment for tonight. We hope you stick around to hear our Oscar Millionaire of Florida winners all for the evening. And now,